Graphing linear equations might seem difficult, especially now that you know about the slope-y-intercept form, the slope-point form, and the general form. But it's not that hard. In the slope-y-intercept and slope-point form, you're looking for the slope, and then you're looking for that y-intercept, or a point on the line that you can find. When you're using the general form, you're looking for the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So here I take you through it. So here we go with equations of linear relations lesson number 6, graphing linear equations. We've got our 3 different types of equations right here. We've got the general form, the slope-y-intercept form, and the slope-point form. And now you know how to transform the equation so it looks like either of them. But what if you had to graph these equations and you were asked not to change them in any way? Well, you still can graph them. So what I'd like to do is go through 3 different equations here and talk about how you'd graph them. The first is the y equals mx plus b here. What we have is the slope y-intercept form, letter A. And so what we do here is we find the y-intercept. Well, it's given to us. The y-intercept is 4. So we find the 4. Okay. The second thing we do, we plot it, and then we look at the rise over the run. Well, in this case, we have a slope of 2. That means it's 2 over 1. So we go over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. And now we see what our line looks like. We plot the points, and we just simply draw the line. There we go. Not hard at all. Now let's look at this slope-point form here. Okay, so this is slope-point form. We call it slope-point form. This is letter B. All right, now what we're given is we're given the slope, but the slope is right here. And then we have 2 points. Okay, we've got this 2 here, and we've got a -1 here because we know that this is x minus a -1. So it ends up looking like a +1, but it is this -1 here. So we've got the slope, we've got a point. Okay, so what we do is we plot the point. We've got a -1, 2. So we plot that point there. And then we've got the slope. So we just do the same thing we've done before. Rise over run. So we go over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. Then we simply draw our line in, and we are done. Now the last one is this general form right here, letter C. Okay, well in this one we do things a little differently. We're just going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, plot those, and when you have 2 points you can make a line. Okay, so the x-intercept. The x-intercept is when y equals 0. So we have 2x plus 4 equals 0. So we're going to take away 4 from both sides. That's 2x equals -4 divided by 2 divided by 2. So the x is going to equal -2. Well, how about when x equals 0? So we've got -y plus 4. And that's just saying, hey, if x equals 0, we still have this -y plus 4 equals 0. So in that case, we just take away 4 from both sides. Now -y equals -4, y equals 4. So we've got a -2 and we've got a 4. So what we do there is we just plot those points and then draw a line between them. So x is -2. Okay, so we go x -2, plot that point, and we go y equals 4. So if y equals 4, we plot this point right here. All we have to do now is draw a line between the 2 points. So here's our line, and we put arrowheads on either side, and we are done. So it's very easy, not a problem. All you need to do is follow these rules, and you can graph any equation. Yeah.